So now let's give the our farm to set our layout, some fields. Okay, farm, and we will set its class, which is a farm horizontal, farm horizontal, and also a custom class, which is a register container, and we have a styling in our style sheet for register container, also a tb padding, a custom class. Okay, method is post, action is going to route register. Good enough. Okay, now let's check. So something is good. Okay, let's where is the register top? So this is a register top, and in our style, we have a login register, and copy it, paste it, and this is a register top class, and set margin to 30 pixel. So that's good. Okay, in a register form where it is input farm group, and input is type text class farm control. Okay, let's set it to if we see into our control you to see our layout. So we have a container which is our main auth layout, and there is a row, and again we have a container and row. So and also multiple classes. Maybe that classes are disturbing and not displaying the actual. Okay, let's move. mm, okay, this is the div, and let's remove row, uh, container and row. Remove this div. Just we require one container and a row, that is in our auth container and a row already in our main layout. Okay, and div class, let's remove this class from here, and also in a div column small, and this one also, also remove it from here. Okay, let's refresh. So something is good. Okay, let's open our farm control and see where we have. Let's remove this control D, select all, and remove these classes. Okay, farm column small 12 and label column small 2, and also in our input field remove this one. No, this one, and in an input field column small 2, column small 2, column small 2, and again from button column small 2. Refresh. So here now it's look great. We have a name, email, and password. So we will fetch its actual width. Okay, div class button primary, and also set button block, and button danger. Control S, save, refresh. So, okay. So we will set its alignment, but we have to create a more field, which is custom. Was country name, city, postal code, logo, and other fields. So we will create it.